In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users on Freshdesk. Getting started with Freshdesk and expanding your support team by adding new users is a simple process that can significantly improve your customer service. Whether you're bringing a new agent on board or giving additional team members access to Freshdesk, follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup. Firstly, navigate to the Freshdesk website. Here you'll see an option to login. Click on login and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in carefully and click continue. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are entering the system under your company's account, making sure all your data is centralized and accessible. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Click on this to start the process of adding a new member to your team. Freshdesk has designed its dashboard to be very user-friendly, so finding what you need is generally straightforward. After clicking New, your next step is to select Agent from the drop-down menu. Agents are your support team members who will interact with customers and resolve tickets. By clicking on Agent, you are telling Freshdesk that you want to add a new member to this team. Now it's time to enter the details of the new agent you're adding. You'll be prompted to type in their email address. Make sure this is accurate to ensure they receive all necessary notifications and invitations from Freshdesk. Additionally, you will need to select their role within Freshdesk. Roles define permissions and access levels, so choose the one that best fits the new user's responsibilities. This step is critical for maintaining the security of your help desk and ensuring that team members have the right tools at their disposal. Finally, once you've entered the email address and selected the appropriate role, click on Invite. This sends an invitation to the new user to join your Freshdesk account as an agent. They will receive an email with instructions on how to set up their account and get started. And there you have it. That's how you add new users to your Freshdesk account. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently expand your support team, enhancing your ability to assist customers and manage tickets effectively. Remember, maintaining an organized and responsive support system is key to keeping your customers happy and loyal. Freshdesk makes this process straightforward, so you can focus on what matters most: providing excellent service to your customers. Thank you for watching.